Hi, my name is Callie Teegardin, and I want to welcome you to the SendOutCards Affiliate Business Overview. You're here today because you're interested in learning how to make money with SendOutCards. And I was right there with you 10 years ago. To quickly tell you a little bit about my story, I got started in SendOutCards because I was looking for an easy way to stay in touch with my clients. I was working full-time corporate America, had started a business on the side, and needed a simple way to send birthday thank you and holiday cards to my clients. When I found this system, I knew it was the answer to my prayers. And then I looked at the compensation plan, and you know what? I thought, I know a few people who could use a system like this. I'd love to get my system paid for. Well, that was 10 years ago, and I have to tell you, this company has completely changed my life. Now, let's talk about how you can make money with the SendOutCards opportunity. To become an affiliate with SendOutCards, it is a $59 annual fee, and this gives you everything you need to get started to share SendOutCards with others. And so why would you want to become an affiliate? Well, you can earn 20% commissions on all your customers' cards and gifts. You can also earn bonuses when your personal users purchase any of our great system add-ons, and you can build a team of affiliates and earn from 2 to 5% on your team and their customers up to 7 levels deep. Now, if you're interested in becoming affiliate, you also want to be able to send cards. So I recommend our unlimited package. It is $97 a month, and this package is my favorite because it gives you unlimited heartfelt card sends, including postage, to anywhere in the world. So no matter if you send 1, 3, 5, 7, 10 heartfelt cards a day, those cards are included in your package. Now, what's a heartfelt card? Well, it's any card, a standard card or a photo card, where you add a unique message and send it to a single recipient. We also have gifts and send out cards, and with our $97 unlimited package, you get premier discount in shipping on our top selling gifts, along with a 30% discount on our gifts, which is our largest discount. You also get a lot of other bells and whistles, including our unlimited relationship manager, premium story, and the ability to do multiple touch campaigns and schedule your cards. If you've got questions along the way, please write them down. And when you're done watching this, get back with the person who invited you to this overview, and they can help you and answer any questions you may have. Now, let's say you get started as that $97 subscription, you're an affiliate. The first thing you want to do is go find 4 customers on the subscription that you're on, and you will become paid for. So in this case, you're on the 97. Go find 4 customers on the 97, and you will begin to earn $97 a month in commissions. From there, you'll also earn up to 20% on all the other cards your customers send and on the gifts. From there, you can also go and sponsor other affiliates. So let's say you sponsor another affiliate, teach them become paid for. Well, what's really cool, you now have enough volume personally and in group to become a manager. And when you become a manager and send out cards, you get paid more to do the exact same thing. And we have 5 promotion levels. Manager is just the first. Now, from here, you can go sponsor more affiliates, more customers, and watch your income grow. So we also have great system add-ons and send out cards, things like handwriting and signatures, our system package. Our system package is for someone who wants to do what we call system sends. This is a card that you can create and send to a group of people. Think about holiday cards or invitations, or you can schedule your cards and create multiple drip campaigns. Now, someone who wants to be able to do this wants a system package. They get 300 system cards for $395. It's like $1.31 a card. Now, when you sell a system package to one of your users, someone you personally sponsor, when you get started as an affiliate, you can earn $140 as an affiliate for every system package you personally sell. And then as you promote through our compensation plan, and as I mentioned, there's 5 different levels from manager to eagle, you can earn anywhere from $240 to $335 on every system package that you personally sell, and up to $100 to $195 for every system package sold on your team. We also mentioned that you earn anywhere from 2 to 5% on 7 levels of your team and their customers. Well, as you promote, you also can earn an additional 5% for every promotion level you make, up to 25% additional, and that's paid to unlimited levels. So really, the sky is the limit as you build your Send Out Cards business and promote through our compensation plan. Now, Send Out Cards is truly the best relationship building system in the world today, hands down. You can use this system to build better relationships in your personal life and your professional life. And by becoming an affiliate, you can get paid to share Send Out Cards with others. So you probably have questions. We understand that. Please get back with the person who invited you to this overview. Ask them your questions, get them answered, and please join us and let me be the very first person to welcome you to Send Out Cards. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye now.